Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I am here with entry number 36. And this entry comes from Miss Esther T. I know many of y'all know her because she is always commenting and supporting so many channels. So let me go ahead and open this up. Now, I did pull out the card just to make sure I had the name right. I was pretty sure I did. So I did take a peek at the name. I did not read the card, but I wanted to make sure I knew who it was. So I thought this was so cute. I love the colors in this. And it says, God's love between us, the gift called friendship. Isn't that so true? She had dated it. She dated it 11/11/19. She says, Dear Carmen, I hope you enjoy my entry and goodies. I'm enjoying seeing all your entries and your excitement. God bless you. Happy anniversary. Happy birthday, Esther T. Thank you, sweetheart. This means so much to me. And I'm telling you, as far as the entries go, wow, y'all have just blown me away. And I just, well, I don't want to hide that. I just do not know what to say here. I'm telling y'all made my birthday. You, each and every entry means something to me because you took the time to think about me. It just means everything. And oh my goodness, let me pull this up and lay this down. And I've got it upside down. She has made me a stuffed envelope, and look at that. Inspired by life, one-of-a-kind art crafted by Esther T. Hand created, what does that say? Created by hand. I love that. And I have been wanting to make some mini one of these for my craft show. I haven't been able to because I don't think I'm going to do craft shows this year. I think I'm going to do the spring. And oh my goodness, those embellished clothespins. Oh my. I want to cry. Happy anniversary. That looks like an anniversary. Oh my gosh. And look at the precious bows. Sweetheart. And look at that. Look how cute that is. The pumpkin and the fall leaves. Oh my gosh. That is just beautifully handcrafted. And it's very thick and sturdy. Happy birthday. Let me open this up. I am so blessed. I'm just ready to dig into it all. I'm sitting here looking. Oh my gosh. Look at that memory decks. And of course I gotta pull out. I hope this. Oh, that's from the outside. Okay. Wow. Okay. That is so cute. Look at that bag. Instead of doing, actually she did. It's like a silver. It's not a see-through. That's pure silver. And then she did a happy birthday toothpick. You know, like a cupcake stick. And then she's got line. What a cute little bag. I love that. Thank you. And then this is her memory decks. How awesome. And it's a shaker. Y'all know I love them. Listen. I love it. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And it's done in pink and gold and blue. And it has happy birthday. And it has all the little pearls. And of course she did this shaker. Pink and blue. Two of my favorites. And gold. Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. And then the back she's got the little pocket. Wait. Uh-oh. Oh, it flips up. Okay, let me tell you a little something about little Miss Esther. Her name is Esther, and her birthday is March the 3rd, which is one day after my hubby's birthday. And then her YouTube is Esther T. Her Instagram is ET Originals. And her color is purple, coral, black, earth tones. And lordy, every color, LOL. That's because you're like me, honey. You love the rainbow. That's your favorite color is the rainbow if you could pick it. And then some. And then her favorite crafty item is anything involving paper. Example, paper, tape, stickers, or stickles. I'm not sure which one of those is. I think it's stickers and then glue. But either way, you can't go wrong with any of them. Is that not just absolutely precious? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then look at these clothespins. I went ahead and removed all the paper so you didn't have to deal with crinkling. But she has took full-size clothespins and she has put lace on them, on the, to cover up the wood. And then she has put little bows on each one and then little center flower pieces. Is that not the cutest? So shabby chic, so Victoria. I love it. Love it. And then, of course, she made me some precious bows with bling centers. So thank you for that, sweetheart. I love them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm definitely ready to look at this. How precious. Oh, and she left it blank. I mean, I can't use it. I know you left it blank so that, you know, most people leave it blank so that they can be reused, but I just can't. Not when somebody hand makes me a card, and I will cherish this. I'm going to put the date inside. I'm going to put who it's from, and I will cherish this. 27 years, and I will remember this. This will be my 27 years of marriage. And look, it's got her inspired by life. Created by hand, and then one-of-a-kind art created Esther T. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, sweetheart. And I appreciate y'all. I'm telling you, y'all have made my birthday and my anniversary. We had celebrated my birthday yesterday, and then we'll be celebrating and going out for my anniversary with some friends next Friday. So, well, this Friday, actually. Anyway, thank you so much. I've got so many more packages that came in the mail today. I want to thank each and every one of y'all. And I'm sorry to bombard you with videos, but I'll see you in the next one. Best wishes always.